tabi kami. We're going to Yes Island! Yes World pala. Ha 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 ha! Hi Ate Ko, I love you. Hi Hana Ko, I love you. Yes, hi! Ayan, naglalaro pa to. Hi! We're gonna sleep! Nandito kami sa likod. Sleeping Beauties kami ni Ate Apple. Go!
Ay, nag-stop na.
Tulak!
Ano tulak na?
We're here at Music Time. Music Time of Jack. Hi, Kuya Je.
Hello guys, welcome to your channel.
Hana, anong masasabi mo dyan?
Marami pa yung mata ko.
Ha? Bakit? Kanina ka pa, ano ah? Welcome to my house, guys. Ito nga pala ang aking bahay. Yan, pina-reserve ko yung bahay ko. And so we're gonna go check in na our hotel. Look at their key card. It's so cute. Ang ingay ni ate. Tapos, dito na tayo. Ayan. 15:10. Ayan. Tanggalin mo si shades mo para lumiwanag. Oh, here we are. We're in here. We're here. Can you tap?
Show me.
Okay. Yummy sa ate ako. Hi! See, outfit check. Ooh, very nice. Miss Princess. Oh, this is so nice. I like the vanity. See the view, though the view. Ah, look at the washroom. I can see from here. Very social. The washroom is very social. Oh my god, I cannot. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? See, the washroom is nice. They won't have shower now. Here, you can go here. And then, the bathtub. Makikita, magkakakitaan tayo pag naligo. Alam ko, may blinds tong patola naman to, patola. Ayan. Ay, God, yung cellphone. Try na, paano yung ano, blinds? Gusto kong itry. Kaya mo lang yan. Ah, ito lang pala. Ito lang pala. Akala ko rin automatic. I was gonna be impressed. But it's not automatic. Ayan, ayoko na. Hindi ko naman. Uy! Let's see what's in the wardrobe. Oh, may plancha na. May plancha naman pala dito, Ate Apple. May extra pillow. Hana, eto kasi. Oh, that's it.
Guys, ayan si Marion GM.
Tara, tignan natin yung kwarto ni Ate. Yung Kia. Yung Kia. Si Ate na pa, Ate Apple niya nga. Parehas lang kami ni Kuya. Siguro. Hi, doon muna tayo. Hi, Kuya. Can we tour?
Welcome to our humble house. Home?
Ah, it's cute.
Guys, he's so makulit.
Ito hindi namin sa Japan.
Saan ba yan? Parehas pala tayo ng nabilhang kama.
Talaga?
Oo, same na same. Oo.
Ito pa rin.
Ito yung cute na. Ito yung cute na.
Ito, Ate Mar.
This is the view. Wala masyadong view. We're building.
Sa atin inaayos.
Yeah, sa atin yung naan.
Kuya Jay, what can you say?
Very, classic.
Paano ulit mo maligo si Kuya Jedja, no? Bali, ito panahon. Next stop.
Ate Mar, ba tayo nakabag?
Wala lang. Hindi naman sana. Yung sa amin din, iba? Iba kayo.
Iba sa amin.
Oh, this is nice. But the washroom is all same.
Yeah.
Ay, taray, mas malaki. Parang mas gusto ko itong bilhin.
Ingitero. Parehas tayo ng view tayo. Parehas tayo ng view yung ginagawa.
Balik tayo.
Baliktad.
Kung magiging ng construction workers.
Hi, construction workers! Okay, let's do it.
So, dad. Ipadala mo kayo yung plano ko sa Japan.
Abu Dhabi so malulos pa tayo. May bag kami.
Sino ito kasama sa isang lupa?
Tatlo.
Gusto niyo yun?
Ay, walang song.
Ate Mar, yun wala kang susi.
Kaya Ate Abu. Yes, we are. Hope you like it.
Kapag
Lolobat.
Loban yung It's our house. Maliit lang, but it's not... Sabi ko sa inyo,
Paras ba na sa atin?
Mas malaki
maliwanag
yung-
lang yung ano. Mas maliwanag lang. Ayun nga, construction workers yung makikita natin. Kaya, hello construction workers! Good morning! Okay naman. Mamaya naman, magtutour muna kami kung saan saan. We're at Yas Mall. Mall. Look at that. Yas Mall. Ang school dito actually. School? There's no star actually. Tara daw, picture tayo. Ayun na yung pangalan.
Hi guys, welcome to Abu Dhabi. Today is Tuesday,
Just day one. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday.
Ate Neng, what can you say?
Huh? So cold.
25 degrees. Vlogger na ako.
Okay. Tulak yan! Ang lamig pa naman.
Ate Marion, mag-tour ka na.
Mamaya.
Ano ba to vlogger natin? The vlogger is not vloggering.
This is our first day in Abu Dhabi. So we're in Yas Mall.
Ano gagawin natin dito?
Magpupunta lang tayo ng Ferrari World just to take a photo but not going on the rides and everything, you know.
And then,
kumain lang kami and then ikot-ikot lang. Ganun.
Great.
Pipicture mo ba kami o ikaw?
Yes.
mall. Pag pumunta kayo sa Yas Mall, ang word of the day is
Yes, Mom!
Halang linaw naman eh.
Ay, ganda ng pilik mata ni Ate Ak. Tingnan niyo.
Na Avon.
Kailangan niya ng map. This is
Avon.
the map.
This is the Avon brochure.
I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
Pwede daw yun.
Yes. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pwede, pero pwede daw yun.
Yes.
Mom!
May H&M dito. Slayable yung H&M nila.
Bakit stayable, ha?
Kasi may background.
Ano ba? Sa Pinas wala?
Yes.
Mom!
So, ate na yung... Ay.
Oy, dun daw tayo.
So,
Saan na
dito
tayo
may...
Pupunta na tayo ng Ferrari World.
Yes.
Mom!
Ay, sino pala yun?
Sino yun? Sino yun? May sumusunod sa akin.
Kabayan.
Kabayan. Ang ganda ng photo.
3 minutes na to.
Okay na yan. Mamaya naman, guys. Maglalakad pa kami. Later. Himik ka lang, sige na. Hi, guys!
Hi guys! Andito ngayon si Marian sa Mafia.
Panat mo.
So yes!
Mom! Ayan, nasa Ferrari World na tayo, guys.
Tayo ay wala naman sila.
Kami pala. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Ayan na ang Ferrari World. And hi. And that. If the world was end. This is Ferrari World, guys. Actually, may ride talaga dyan. Pero hindi na kami papasok dyan sa loob kasi we don't want rides. Ayan. Parang nag-iba na siya, no? Parang ang daming nag-add. It's been a long time since I went here, guys. Parang 2019 pa ata ako pumunta dito. Kasi malayo. What? What do you want? What are you looking at? Ay! That's Hannah Gemmer Lima Rapa. Kuya, hindi mo naman pinipicturean si Raulo ka talaga.
2,
3!
Let's say Hannah Gemmer.
May mga Korean. Let's go! Let's move! Yan, we're going inside the store. Ang lamig. It's kind of cold. Kaya nga eh. Parang dati dito yan eh. Ah? Wow! Nandito ka pala, kabayan. Walk with me as I tour you here. Diba parang humaba to? Kasi parang ngayon agad yun eh. Parang yun agad yun eh. Diba? Basta top. Oh, parang ito lang yung dati. Diba? Pinagkakitaan na nga nila yan dati. Negosyo. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang guys, kasi hindi naman kami papasok. Ayaw namin pumasok. See ya when I see ya.
Sa fountain daw.
fountain! We're going to the fountain next. Oh, this is the saddest thing ever. Ha? Alam ba kapatay mo kami?
Nag-deliver pa rin mo, ha?
It's a fountain. It's just like this. It's just like this. It's just like you. Tignan niyo. It's kind of cold here. Look at the view. Look at this stunning view. See? It's the climb. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi kasi ako yung gumawa nito eh. Nag-Carrefour po kami. Kaya. Ay, Ate Apple, sa akin na. We're going out. Nasaan na yung resibo? Ano ba panagdalian mo? Okay, we're going out. Dalian mo, Kuya G.
Hindi ba ako lumusot sa ilalim?
Uy, bawal. Huhulihin ka. Kakalabitin ka dito. Kakalabitin ka. Bahala ka dyan. Napagod kang umuya.
Supermarket sa app.
Taak pang.
Yeah.
Celebrate good time. Come on. Ayan, tapos na kami. Bawal na kami ng hotel. Hindi pala, bibili muna kami ng churros sa Krispy Kreme. We're gonna buy there. Churros. So we're back at the hotel now. So let's see what's in here. So it's this one. It's Merry Christmas now. Ah, parang ano lang siya, hallway. It's the most wonderful time. Came home. We're back at the hotel. Yes, guys. We're here. We're finally here. Ay, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Hindi, naka-open. Ay! Yun na kami. Kapahinga na kami. Mas maaga pa kami bukas. Pero syempre, joke man. Joke. Joke. Ayan. Syempre, joke kasi mag-ano pa kami. TikTok kami maghanap. TikTokeries kami. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow sa day 2 in Abu Dhabi. Bye.